you found a pillow. We're gonna measure that pillow. So tuck that information away. Now let's take a peek at some of these dish towels. So find yourself 2 dish towels that have kind of a coordinating pattern. Take one of the towels and cut it into a square. It's a square as big as your pillow. So we're gonna cut 2 flaps on the back. So we're gonna cut them 10 inches by 16 inches. But because we're using dish towels, there is no hemming required. Now we've got it cut to 16 inches, and now I'm gonna cut it in half to make my 2 10-inch flaps. Now we're gonna put these together. This is the front of the pillow. I am going to put it pretty side up towards me. I've got 2 flaps cut from the other towel. That pretty side is gonna go down because we sew inside out here. So then the next flap, again, pretty side down, we're gonna line up to the outside corners. So before you take this over to the machine, pin if you have pins, or grab some clothespins like this and just tack your fabric together because you want to make sure those stay in place while we're moving it. So this is just a straight stitch. So this is what it looks like when it comes off the machine. We've got the back with the 2 flaps here, and then we've got the front. So now it's time to turn this inside out. I've clipped any extra strings that were hanging off, and I'm just gonna go into the envelope and turn it right side out. Super easy. And to get your corners nice and crisp, you can kind of stick your finger in there, or you could take like the end of a pen and stick that in there just to really make your corners nice and crisp. Okay, that's it. That's our pillow cover. And it's got this beautiful envelope in the back. Now, we take this kind of ratty, lumpy pillow here, and we're just gonna stick it inside. That is it. Think of what you could do on your sofa for Christmas for just a few dollars. You can make a couple pillows like this. This one's so cute. This one's a little bit smaller. This was a 14-inch pillow that I had, and I paired it with buffalo check. You can start coordinating pillows like this for just a few dollars. So let's take a look at that no-sew option. You're gonna do all the same steps up until this point. So you've got your square underneath and your 2 flaps on top. You're gonna take some fabric glue, pretty sides together, and line up your corners really well. And then we're just gonna pull them back, and we're gonna do a nice line of fabric glue all the way across. Then we're gonna roll these back in place and just gently press it down. Then I'm gonna add a little more along here so that those flaps stay together. We're just gonna put this one back on top right there. Leave it alone. Once it's dry, turn it inside out. You can put that pillow in there and you have yourself some beautiful new pillow covers. Pillow covers from dish towels. So easy, you guys. Thank you so much for watching tonight. You have a good night.